Are you wondering how to buy your first home? Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with this month's Financial Friday episode. Real estate is a hot topic right now. The housing crash of 2008 is still fresh in people's minds. We aren't expecting a real estate crash, and we aren't expecting prices to drop. So if you're a first-time home buyer and you've been thinking you'd sit on the sidelines waiting for a big price discount, instead, let's get you moving toward homeownership now. Inventory is half of what it was in 2007. New construction starts are half of what they were in 2007. And we have like 12 million more households than we did in 2007. Plus, the interest rates are still historically low. That's why we aren't expecting a big price drop. Over the next 3 months, I'd like to share with you some tips to get yourself financially ready for buying a home. No one can do everything immediately, but if you start taking steps today, you can be in your new home for the holidays or in the next 12 months. So this month, let's tackle the financial steps to complete the home buying process. If you're like me, recently you're shaking your head at the increase in all your daily necessities like groceries and gas and even internet costs. I believe you'll need to be more disciplined now with your budgeting and telling every dollar you make where to go. So first, let's work on paying off all your debt and building an emergency fund. As longtime followers of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University steps and our broker owner Steve Prescott being the Laramie County Ramsey Trusted Advisor, I suggest using his baby steps to accomplish this. Start with your smallest debt so you can immediately feel a sense of progress. Paying off your debt will help your credit score and allow more freedom for you when you have a monthly mortgage to pay. Nothing will derail your home buying goals or the maintenance of your home after you purchase faster than an emergency. So be prepared by saving for 3 to 6 months of expenses. And second, plan to stick with your housing costs at about 25% of your monthly budget. Knowing this number will help you when you begin to home shop. Your monthly housing costs include principal, interest, property taxes, home insurance, private mortgage insurance, and homeowners association dues. Be firm on this figure so you are comfortable to say no to yourself when you begin your home search. Next, save for your down payment. If you can put down 20%, then you'll avoid the PMI expense that is added to your mortgage. But if that isn't doable for you at this time, then aim for 5 to 10% down. Our current average home price in Laramie County is close to $400,000. Using that number, you'd want to save $20,000 to $40,000. That is a lot of money. So that's where your commitment and your discipline will need to enter the picture. Give yourself some small goals so you can celebrate along the way. And finally, saving for your closing costs. Geez, are you feeling stressed just thinking about all this money that you need to save to buy a home? That happens to most people, so just start with making the decision and then the first step by writing just a plan of action. We've seen it work over and over. For this step, plan on 2 to 7%. Using the example from saving for your down payment, you'd need $8,000 to $28,000. These first 4 steps will give you something to focus on over the next 30 days. Your first home purchase is a big deal. I don't promise that these steps will be easy, but you can do it. I'll meet you back here for next month's Financial Friday episode where we'll cover the 3 steps for knowing your mortgage loan options and home buying programs. In the meantime, I wish you success in getting your spending, savings, goals, and plans started. If you have questions, give us a call at 307-635-0303 and we'll be happy to help you.